Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add Special TDS Percentage in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in Fresa Application. After successful login, this is how our dashboard looks like. Now, navigate to the Masters module. Click on the Organization menu. Select the respective organization and click Submit button. Then click the Edit icon. On the Organization Details page, open the TDS tab and click the Add button. Select the TDS class. Then enter the special percentage. Valid from. Valid up to. Amount limit. Then click the Save button. The TDS will be calculated based on the specified amount and date range. These are the steps to add Special TDS Percentage in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.